morning, everyone. Scott from Lynoka Door here. Wanted to show you a little something that a customer called about today, and they were super worried that they had to spend thousands of dollars. They heard a loud popping noise, and her first question to me was, do I have to replace my garage door? I heard a loud popping noise and I think it's bad. And what we do is we come out, we do a 21-point inspection, we go over everything for you. It's a free estimate, and we just kind of take it from there. And let me show you what's actually the problem. She doesn't need a new garage door. The garage door is actually in really good shape. I gave her some options on fixing the motor or replacing it. She chose to replace it. What the popping noise was the chain. You can see it all bunched up there at the very top, and that's not good. And the chain broke, and it's actually another part that connects to the chain broke. And I told her we can fix it or we can replace it. And she chose to replace it, and she ends up being into it for a whole lot less than thousands of dollars in garage doors. So the door is fine, the opener's not. We ended up replacing it for about 600 bucks, all said and done. And she got some extra remotes and keypads and all that good stuff. And there was a lot less stress than she thought, but she was super worried because she heard this loud popping noise. And you don't have to get worried. Just give us a call. We'll go over it honestly and for free, which is crazy because most companies, actually I don't know of another company that will give you a free repair estimate. We're the only ones. So give us a call and we'll take care of you. We'll educate you, we'll give you a free quote, and we'll take it from there.